And here we guys. And this is Christian. He is making sound castle and it's so ugly. Yeah, sorry. What the fuck? Ano po yan? Ano po yung ginagawa nyo?
Kastilyong buhangin.
Ay! Ay, may dalawang ilbilog.
Hi!
Hello!
There's Benson.
Pasok ka ng titi.
Look at his it's so bukol.
Gagawa tayong
The chan. Chan.
Look my abs.
Look my abs.
Benson, ikaw yung
Look,
aming...
may asa ito
Benson,
malikod.
ikaw yung aming ibabaw
Look
dito.
at Joy's abs at the
Oy.
face. And there is Kuba. Look at the back. So Kuba.
Diba? Nag-ano ko naman si Julius nang sabi, uy, tara magawa ng pyramid, tara magawa ng pyramid. Ala, sabi naman yan. Ala, hindi
Ate,
makakabuo,
ito,
may curve.
Hindi, tayo maghuhukay. Ibabaw natin.
And this is our bin. They are making something.
Hi. Tayo maghuhukay.
Benson.
Tabunan nyo na lang.
Ano makasasabi niyo tungkol dito po sa Lubo?
So
Sobrang
amazing.
saya.
First time niyo po dito sa Lubo.
No.
About you po, Benson.
Taga dito ako.
Ay, dito ka wala.
Ako tanongin mo, men.
Ah, ikaw. Ikaw po. Ano po masasabi niyo?
Very, very relaxing.
Wow, relaxing.
Yes.
Bakit Tagalog po?
Pang,
Tagalog?
pang
Wala, what's
celebrity.
Tagalog? Shit. Oh, Arvin, what's Tagalog? What's Tagalog now?
Tagalog came from the Latin word English.
What the fuck?
Ano ba?
Yeah!
Ginalingan.
Man.
Alvin. Ano po yun?
Rays, man.
Oh, what about the sun rays?
So cool. So cool. Man, wala
Ay.
kang malinaw na camera.
Mahapag